Welcome. Today we are going to discuss an important thing, and you are going to learn on how to make an image talk or how to make picture talk. So follow me and learn the way. I am on my computer screen right now, so the next step I have to take, as my PC is already connected to the internet, is to open my browser. So if your PC is not yet connected to the internet, please do so. All right. So after that, open your browser. The browser I recommend you use is Microsoft Edge. At least I've tested that one. I trust that one. Chrome, when you use Chrome, you may see the website as a threat and may flag it. Okay. And once that happens, you will not be able to access the website because it will tell you that the site is not safe. So I'll click on the Edge since it's already pinned on the taskbar of my computer. Alright, as Microsoft Edge opens, visit the website dig.com. That is d-id.com. Okay, then visit that website. This is the page you'll be landed on once the website opens. Okay, so the next step you have to take is to click on Try Now. It is free. As this new page opens, we have to proceed by clicking on Start Now. Is free. You will be landed on this new page. Then click on Create Video. This is the new interface we'll be taken to. So we are required now to upload our own image or use any of these images here and then make them to start talking. So we will get to that. It's a step by step. But before that, let's just give this video a title. So I'll click on this spot and say talking image. All right. Can give it any title of my choice. Okay. After that, I'll click the enter key. Okay, we can use any of these images here, but I want us to add our own image. So download any image in your computer which you are going to upload for this exercise. So I have already downloaded one image in my phone, in my computer, which I want to use for this. So I'll click on add. On this new page, the website requires us to sign up before we can continue the usage of the platform. Okay, so we are giving some options, but here I want to sign up with Google, which is the easiest and the fastest way. So I'll select the option continue with Google. On this new page, it displays some email addresses that are linked to this computer. So I'll select one of them. So let me go with this. Okay, this is the new page that opens, and you can see the image here. It says, "Hey, I'm Alice. Let's take 30 seconds to customize your experience. Are you an individual or a business?" Just select. Here I am an individual, so I go with that option. Okay, it says, "What kind of video do you want to create?" So it has given us some options here, so I'll go with entertainment. Then I will click on this button. I'm done. So still do the same when you are setting up your own account. Okay, now we are taken to this page. This is where we are going to start the real thing. Okay, with this I have been signed up to this website, so I have to start the other steps. So click on create video. Then these are the images here which we can choose from. Okay, they're free to use, but you can use your own image. All right, I have an image I downloaded, a picture I downloaded. and that's a picture of the famous Nigerian footballer Victor Osimhen. So that's what I want to use for this experiment. Okay, so I'll click the option add. Then this opens the file explorer of my PC. So I'll navigate to where the image is saved, and here it is saved in the download section. So I will click on the picture, double click on it. All right, the image has been uploaded and I have given the project name talking image. So in your own case, you can give it any name of your choice. Okay, that's the project. Now take a look by the side here. The script is selected by default, which means we are required to type text here that this image will be talking or will be saying and be moving its head at the end of the towards the conclusion of the project. Then another option here is audio. If you have audio you have recorded and want to upload, so that he will be the one, the image will be the one saying it. Okay, you can go with this option. Okay, but let's go with script. I have some text I've already typed in my Microsoft Word. So I will go and copy it and paste it here. Okay. Then I'm do the other settings. Okay. I'll paste the word here. All right. You can see how it is here at this point. It's much, though not too big. It said 10 words preview limit. I said that it's okay. What is important is that you are going to read something for us. Okay, get down to this settings section. Here, United States English is selected by default. But if you click on this spot, there are some other English based on countries you can choose. For example, English Nigeria, that's Nigerian English, New Zealand English, and the rest. But it's cool. Let me go with United States English, okay? Do Victor is a Nigerian guy. All right, the voices, I've selected guy, but if this guy happens to be a woman, you can select a female voice here, okay? Then the style that you want him to read this, I want him to read this text as a newscast. So just make your choice. If you want it to read it very angrily, make the selection here as well. Okay. Then once we are done with these settings, the next step to take is click on generate video. You can see it's generating gradually. All right. The next step to take is click on generate. So hold on until the process is completed. You can see we have successfully generated your video. So let's hold on for it to load well. Okay, this has loaded. So let's take our cursor here and then click for it to play.
If you want to learn a lot on technology, subscribe to Godwin Tech YouTube channel. Godwin Tech has a lot to offer you. His tutorial videos are so easy to follow and learn. So, you do not have any reason not to subscribe to the channel. If you want to grow in tech, do not think twice before you make this move. Thank you.
Did you hear that? That is cool, and that is the power of artificial intelligence. Very cool. Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. I love that. So the next step is you can download it to your PC, all right? So click on download. And it says download completed. So let me get to the downloads folder in my PC and then still play it from that end. All right, I have opened the file explorer, so I'll click on downloads. Okay, that's the name we gave to the file. That is talking image. So let me double click on it for it to open.
If you want to learn a lot on technology, subscribe to Godwin Tech YouTube channel. Godwin Tech has a lot to offer you. His tutorial videos are so easy to follow and learn. So, you do not have any reason not to subscribe to the channel. If you want to grow in tech, do not think twice before you make this move. Thank you.
I think he's better here. He's better here in this larger screen. So you have had Victor's message to you. Go and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Godwin Tech channel to grow in technology and how to use important applications. You can do it. Thank you. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if you do, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. See you next time.